Barbara so jidam gidi no pay dem say oba no ne wo fama bobo bibia ma na di kama wo famu a ede tell pay atena se yeso e baba so but sa me wo hwe ayas ye hodoma ehwa o trapa kro na wo ba ehwa overseas ufri so amene ba o tra Alpha Radio now about filling station now fe waba your number 1 station yaji abos or Sompa adopel bass ya tiefo Ghana for Ashanti region for Kumasi for obia abo omabo tenku if we said the biggest yes the largest dental screening no adopel ebeshasi akokoso I want the perimeters of a year, the forecourt of a year, Sompa, Ubado pay, Omugu quadrangle, Nimusa. Now, yeah, some dentists I will draw another pay Obuba. So, over here, I back was, hey, now say, where the hospital and Casa de Mwesio, yes. Yeah, well condition, boom, come. Yeah, the come, all there from a park found, yeah, was in them from a pay found. We just have better wiem na wian show deb is situa conditions all the doctors in that is go be ehun de oye obi ehun de oye obi hu ansa fe wapon wapie privacy aye kese papa it ya pay that is what is going on ti bomode ya na bra be hwe osin ye gu mu akopem anwumre ti kwada no mu ko school no so mu pon afo mu bra no mso mehwe omo sen enkwada no so hia maame fo mo hwe mo de papa fo mo hwe mo de na enkwada ne hwa no pay bra behwe na ya fast ko adwuma mu ko dwom so ha ne ko hwe wo de adopɛ ye bo adem wa ha large and huge awa ase ha ya Sompa FM ase ya ehwa overseas ye hwe osiama free we nya ye de bra so ye hwe osinim yie wura osinim doctors akukudam Dr. Frimpong ne team no udru ko fa no cho bia dim Dr. Frimpong ense de udru ko lebu Dr. Ekins mu ne obo mu kika doctors akukudam na no pe mu ba no ba hwen ti me so ba bia wo bia ye ward ne bra no pay that ye show I pay it is well with our soul upon beso catch ho say ebra ye hye ede yasi eye na ye ma okra and sama yakano eno na mayen eye de eye etiempempi odwen a na waka ti na pemfo so wadwen wo dada ti obu aka bibi o se o we de ma pemfo se da bi wadwen wo dada ansa na woka the other things that we say we speak to all babo as waka sembi na dia no so waka ebia ama bonten e waka wo obu sa dia no that is how we act upon eti da bia because obi odum so obi ye de bia da bia na adwen wo sa dia so eti ontimi nwen outside the box ontimi nwen enma ne ho enwen konkan da bia ti so believe say hu nipa bi ade beye bibia mana yeye nipa kro no timi nwen konkan because our thoughts make us they are dwen no and one yeye that is how ye nyuma ye niema efa arope o dwen boni a boni ti no se boni bekum abodiyefo boni ebekum aboniyefo ade bia wiase ne ususu no sa pepepepe ti dia se dia wo dayem no ene ye de ba anisuo ade bia odwen ho na formulate in the realms of the spirit formulate e wo hunhum na fe dako hodma pa na ba to wo aba se apapa we de se de bia meyo o de sa be shedi mu afi okodam kura do da do so hu dai adwen aye dwen ne formulate e make us so bo about to just what we kai there benya bia metwipa metobi meyese to what the bia na adwen ye bens because we mean is a bens dey also to be and se nipa no nyame to ne sempe on fa okra the first thing de wadwen ho a e no de ba arapa what are you thinking of a den na e koso wadwen ti kare ya na kasa we ho pa me yade we no ane bekube me yade ampa niampa na nipa na twen obekọ ne esesa yade na ne kun no. There is a difference between facing reality and a difference between say or formulating ideas. Ade ano no crasa say na tie na so mo wadwen mu oni padua mu de waka cha ho say there is a way out. There is a way out. There is a way out. Me hwenga fo mu bi na nkofo miensa. Na omu leader no bibia sina ade ne ye dentete a. So be reacting or react you. Or the somebody baby anakoma wo no. Oboso bonkum wo no or the boss say no akache na kuma say all is well. All is well. All is well kan miensa. Waka chen say eye ma me kra bibia da okay. Ampenya pa. Wa programming the system to send the system no ebe so sonyo ma no ama na kuma no etima situate well in his body. At the worst enema ya dwen wo ya dwen mu eno anebe. Tuta awade da sha awade de gua ne begua ebegu nso otu wada odwen se da ade obi e bi de mekoye bi e be de aye enye ye enti ha ho because already was send the message to obody ni nyina ekwa adwen nim no ana adise ni aba oni padua wontini ni oni pa akwa adi nyina se enye ye enti ampaniam pa enye ye nso da arapa kacha ho se eye na eye ma mekra. No matter the situation that you are in, afa ho any apinisie any abrabono said yakono. Things can change. Ti eye na eye ma okra. Kacha ho sa. The moment you begin to think positively, and nyama also about positively. I don't pay my channel, editor or crank. I don't pay a very good body to you. And yama, I like the tree, no? Yes. Some editor will be on. Dear, I want any swarno. Na ye de koda yem. Dear, what any swarno. And ye de koda yem. As the nitia, we are the choose with mine. Come, me. Dear, what any swarno. And no, na ye de koda yemu. So whatever the pair will do, you're very careful. You're very careful. It will be one horse media sana da kupa wakonya semu. Wapasa mama ne home. Words are powerful. Our thoughts become words and our words become action. Do you the BBC say, hey, what can you? Me wa university I had a very good friend. Oh, no, shada nya me friend baby say gidi just say be as a bit. I'm not your W say one day I will shake Ghana. One day I will shake Ghana. One day I will shake Ghana. Asema no tai kapan. Asema no tai kapan. Ampanso nyampa daku osheki Ghana. But now I wish I can say Kobe shake Ghana wo kwampaso and positively. So a young man, because of the power of thinking, positive thinking, baby Numa, he was doing so well. Unfortunately, breach here born that coupe, and he shaked all over Ghana. Aya branch no ye DKM. Shake all over Ghana. Though that's what I'm saying, sir. I pay Nyama Wokano. enema wo gye that is eno ana enema wo dwen ho enema wo kan eno ana be yo yanka ne mapama yo empepi yamani bebre ya condemn wo from beginning tinkwa no be nyina enya surprise se nyame anya na dom that wantima reverse some a wo so an ye ka fa ne ho a na be yesa obeji atum se de maame se ondi onye yi ampania pa once obeji atum ade bi obekese maame se nye onye yi but onya the power and ability of positivity and reverse sansam na o se o kentene wo ho a sankonua yi ebe firi wo ko se wo kentene wo ho a sankonua yi ebe firi wo ko be positive, think positive. Eti di alopa di obi aka fa ho bia mo munka, but your spirit shouldn't accept it. Your spirit and your being should reverse it. Say negative thing bia yaka fa ho no wan kasa eyene ade be positive. Reverse it. Reverse it. Reverse it. What it? To be carbon fa ho a you speak positive to yourself. Don't accept what people say. Don't accept negativity. I don't pay you and Uncle Pom wine. On my hand, yes, here. We say, may the peace of our Lord which surpasses all understanding be with us this morning. And we say, Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. It's a beautiful morning. And I pay a bedi and home and come up and send be and they were big a war young punoso yen table so no pain yade eba begum na yadin komo na around abedo di ko wala me catch you say the recent happenings Kodru Sunyani East communication officer Chini free Kumas Exunyan, all of a sudden near Drun Crime. They don't call man 10 days. Maso Kofijima, who are the access of Frano, Nano Brantie be near Baba Webby, say. I don't know, MPP for Casse. No, we have press conference. Casa buying on Timinian, maybe to on Timinakuma, on ya bad ayakakra. That will be Kabi Biana Bachenia. Why we are in the next 2 years, there's a negbu, which have no part. I'll pay a bedi uncomo. Now, Jasushikata Kasa, part of the legend brains, the brains we have in law, a Chachuchikata. Mom can Constantine and 2 Constitution. As well can I say? Me where the power is. I'll show you where the power lies. Power more. One people for a better more. Mozambique for a better more. The idea better also that the political prosecution. It shouldn't be that. You shouldn't prosecute people politically because yes, you have a child baby to me. About so attitude for so 0.36. Ada this are them 2 Ghana. This end they were super. A petrol need hey. That is his best. Trotro is this idea. Fuel price cut to code government 200 million. Let's say abandon so the ebekoni with you. We have a lot to talk about. Young Potamu areas, young Choni and Chaso. There's a lot that we have to talk about. This is your commanding house. Sompa 93.1 Bra never shall sing. Bra ne free. Yes, and say ya can't win. Ya be yemu mama, ya basi ya be someone, ya be someone sompa. Ya shall say with the dental screening. Ya chakra, ya be ba kuman so dear. Ya the specialist, a sing any honam ukam, ya domunina bebasa. There's a lot of your my abandon and sing. Sompa say a bushia tifa ho be wuram anope ya mo ba down no aha monye numbers no anope me ba me say bi gu pa monye numbers no na doctors ho ha ti ye hwe wontem na ukọ ye hwe wontem na ukọ ye medi agro ene bere so pa ti anope bomoden a be bia wo bia eye ehwa overseas eye free dental screening and ekoso mama maboka momra na ya the doctor say kuku dampa na aba mamu a pepsodent for adalma Unilever for adalma ya do ma be badem no pe wo hwe condition mu momra na so mbe yuzum pa wate momra ne e boda value for my doctor say dey abre ado pe mbe hwe mu fine mo hu do ntina so mpa ye bre yo tibra na ye hwe wo sen emfa ma kama na so anopay kwa adwuma na also kwa adwuma ye fast o hwe wachi anu ye fast aba doctors no ho ha Abrano na Kwame Nkwantabisa amanfo Nkwantabisa ni me kwa ba sports for ready Orlando ni nua emba power aropay dia ready to serve us ba me komra be ba e be di komo bebre wa